Use the maps below in your knowledge of social studies to answer questions 1 through 2. Which of the following correctly identifies Massachusetts on the maps above? A. 2, B. 4, C. 6, D. 8. That's the end of question 1. Pause if you need time to answer the question. Question 2. Which of the following correctly identifies France on the maps above? F7, G9, H11, J12. Pause the video to answer question number 2. Question number 3. The Anti-Federalists did not want to ratify the Constitution because A. It took too much power away from the federal government. B. Representatives in Congress were more likely to be wealthy. C. The United States was too big to just have one government. D. It did not have a Bill of Rights. 4. The Federalists wanted to ratify the Constitution because F. They wanted a stronger federal government. G. They wanted the state governments to have more power. H. They did not want Congress to tax the people. J. They wanted a capital in the city of the country. Pause the video to answer questions 4. Question number 5. Use the excerpt below in your knowledge of social studies to answer question 5. The Congress should consist of 2 houses, one in which representation is based on population and one in which states are equally represented. The excerpt above is describing the A. New Jersey Plan, B. Articles of Confederation, C. Great Compromise, D. 3/5 Compromise. Pause the video to answer question number 5. Question number 6. Use the excerpt below in your knowledge of social studies to answer question 6. The powers not given to the United States by the Constitution are given to the states respectively or to the people. 10th Amendment, U.S. Constitution. Which of the following Constitution is most described in the amendment above? F. Individual rights. G. Federalism. H. Separation of powers. Pause the video to answer question number 6. Number 7. Religious freedom is when people can practice whatever religion they choose. Religious freedom is protected by the A. First Amendment, B. Second Amendment, C. Third Amendment, D. Fourth Amendment. Pause the video to answer question number 7. Question number 8. When one branch of government can limit the power of the other branches of government, this is called F. Republicanism, G. Checks and balances, H. Popular sovereignty, J. Federalism. Nine. Which of the following is not true about separation of powers in the United States? A. It means the government's powers are divided into branches. B. It makes the state governments more powerful than the federal governments. C. It means the king has all of the power. D. It creates 3 branches of government for the United States. Which of the following is not true about the separation of powers in the United States? Pause the video to answer question number 9. Question number 10. If the president, executive branch, has to get the Senate, legislative branch, to approve a treaty, this is an example of F. Federalism, G. Checks and balances, H. Popular sovereignty, J. Limited government. Pause the video to answer question number 10. Question number 11. If Congress said people would be punished for speaking out against the federal government, which right do you not have? A. Freedom of assembly. B, freedom of press, C, freedom of speech, D, freedom of religion. Pause the video to answer question number 11. Question number 12. The idea that individuals can vote for their representatives in the government is called F, checks and balances, G, republicanism, H, federalism, J, individual rights. Pause the video to answer question number 12. You have come to the end of the multiple choice portion of the Unit 3 exam.